Hey everybody, my name is Wes Spears and I'm a solution consultant here at Zuora. Today, we will be talking about Zuora's advanced consumption billing module. This allows you to go to market with even more flexible consumption strategies. As you'll see, through the configurable pricing flexibility, this allows you to launch and iterate on consumption-based pricing strategies out of the box. You'll also see the advanced reporting capability. This gives you full visibility into tracking and reporting consumption to streamline billing operations. And lastly, you'll see some threshold notifications. This allows you to keep your customers and sales teams in the loop on consumption. So let's jump into Zuora and take a look. As we see here, our company CloudStream has decided to offer one of these advanced consumption billing module components. Today, we will be using the prepaid drawdown, which is one component of the advanced consumption billing. In this rate plan, you'll see two different charges. The first is our recurring prepaid charge. In this charge, we will be billing the customers $1,000 per month for an allotment of 100,000 API calls. The second charge in our plan is our drawdown usage charge. This charge allows us to track usage against that allotment of 100,000 API calls and bill overage if the customer consumes more than the allotment. As you can see, we will be charging the customer 10 cents per API call over the allotment. You can also see, just through clicks, not code, these advanced consumption models can be rolled out in mere minutes instead of months or years compared to other systems. Now, let's take a look at a subscription that leverages this model. Our end customer, Acme Data, has decided to enroll in our services through this prepaid model. Let's load some usage against this to see how it looks. As we know, they're allotted 100,000 API calls. So let's load 50,000 API calls against this subscription. We can flip back to Zuora and see in near real time how this usage is tracked. We see here in our prepayment balance, the total allotment of 100,000 API calls, the 50,000 that have been consumed, which means the customer has 50,000 API calls remaining. We can even see this at a more granular level for the transactions of those API calls. Additionally, through a number of Zuora's reporting capabilities, including data query, we can see this granular visibility of the consumption for our customers. This gives your teams the ability to forecast and predict based on these consumption patterns and make your billing operations more efficient. Now, let's load some more usage to see what happens as our customer approaches that allotment of 100,000 API calls. Now we will load 45,000 API calls. Once again, on the subscription page, we can see this usage tracked. Now we see the customer has consumed 95,000 API calls, which means they only have 5,000 remaining. Since the customer is so close to their limit, we want to send them an email to let them know they will be charged overages if they go over their allotment of 100,000. Here is an example email that could be sent to the customer. In addition to sending emails to the customer, we can also notify our sales team through emails or notification callouts that the customer is close. This allows the sales team to engage the customer and drive upsells and cross-sells. So as we've seen, through the configurable pricing flexibility and clicks, not code, we can launch and iterate on consumption-based pricing strategies out of the box. Additionally, we can see how you can get full visibility into tracking and reporting consumption to streamline billing operations. And lastly, we saw our threshold notifications that allow you to keep your customers and sales teams in the loop on consumption, allowing your sales teams to drive upsells and cross-sells. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or you want to learn more about Zuora's advanced consumption billing, please visit Zuora.com.